Sometimes all you want to do is listen to YouTube in the background, busying yourself with something else on your phone. Closing the YouTube app will stop the video from playing, but there are a few simple workarounds that will allow you to listen to a video in the background while you get on with something else. In this video, I will show you 2 tricks to play YouTube video in the background on your Android phone. Trick 1. Using picture-in-picture mode. Designed to help you multitask, picture-in-picture is a feature available on Android smartphones running Android 8 and later. Here's how to use it to play YouTube videos in the background. Go to Settings on your smartphone. Then go to Applications. Scroll down to find the YouTube app, and tap YouTube. At the bottom, select Allowed under Picture-in-Picture. Now go to Play Store and install Thunder VPN. Open the application. Connect to VPN and select USA VPN. Now go to YouTube and start playing a video within the YouTube app. And press the home button. The YouTube video will appear in a small window on your screen, which you can move around with your finger. The video will continue to play as you open other apps. Trick 2. Use desktop mode. One easy way to get YouTube to play in the background is to use the desktop version of YouTube on your Chrome browser. Here's how it works. Open Chrome and go to YouTube. Search for the video you want to play. Once you have found the video, tap the 3 vertical dots in the upper right of the screen to select Desktop. Start your video playing. Now go back to your home screen and swipe up to reveal your control center. You should be able to hide a play button to keep playing your video, even while the screen is off. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video, and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, then click subscribe and join us.